Welcome to our In the Trenches series presented by subject matter experts from Nordson EFD. Each segment will share lessons learned in the field, along with practical advice to meet and beat the challenges on the front lines of assembly production.
Hi, my name is Anthony Bazzirio, Application Engineer 2 here at Nordson EFD. Nordson EFD is well known for its engineered fluid dispensing technologies used by manufacturers worldwide to assemble products in nearly every industry from medical to electronics. All year long, I jump in the trenches with our customers to help them solve problems and avoid setbacks. I want to share my insights and tips to help you keep your projects on track. So in the last episode, I talked about preparing for maximum uptime, and I briefly touched upon having a preventative maintenance schedule for your system. And I wanted to expand a little bit more on that in this video and apply it to all of our equipment, not just our robots. So preventative maintenance, number one question I always get is, how often should I do it? And the answer is going to be, it depends. It depends on a lot of factors: your usage time, how much downtime you're taking in between usage, the volatility of your fluids. Are they reactive? Are they not compatible with some component? Is it a corrosive fluid? Is there some other challenge, like it's a reagent? The components you're using inside your valves and your pumps, even things like your cleaning solvent, these can all affect the life of your equipment. So the main piece of advice I can give for you, especially if this equipment is new to you, is to make the process as predictable as possible. Over the first couple months, you want to monitor it really closely, regularly disassemble your valves and your pumps, check the components, make sure there's no failures, check your O-rings, your seals, your fluid fittings. Record, hey, it's been 10,000 cycles since the last time I disassembled it. Okay, everything's great. 10,000 more cycles. Oh, now it's not starting to show some wear and tear. The best thing you can do is to have enough data that you can set a reliable schedule. So I need to replace this component every 3 months, this one every 6 months, get a new fluid body every 2 years, something like that. Now, obviously, that doesn't apply to everything, especially an emergency situation. Things break. And I keep going back to our real world example. We had a customer where a belt broke on their robot. Is, all hands on deck emergency situation. They have enough knowledge to disassemble it, replace the belt, and reassemble it. If you don't feel that you have that knowledge for a robot or a valve or a piece of EFD equipment, you've got options. Don't be afraid to call us. We want to help you. We can give you documentation so you can do the process. We can walk you through it on a video call. Or if this is a super dire situation, we can have one of our engineers come and help you out with your maintenance. You've got options. Don't be afraid to call us. The lesson I want to teach you here, lesson we should take from this, is the classic 5 Ps. Proper planning prevents poor performance. Having a maintenance plan is going to help lengthen the life of your equipment and allow you to be flexible when emergencies happen. I'm Anthony Bazzirio here at Nordson EFD. Thanks for listening, and join us in the future for our next installment of In the Trenches.